In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays in Google Calendar using Google Contacts for seamless and automatic reminders. This method ensures you never miss celebrating those special days with your loved ones. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Contacts. If you're not familiar with it, this is the platform where Google saves all the contact information you enter across Google's ecosystem. Once you've accessed Google Contacts, locate the contact for whom you'd like to add a birthday. If you don't see their name right away, you can simply use the search bar at the top. If the contact doesn't exist yet, take a moment to create a new contact with their details. Creating a new contact is quick and easy, and it allows you to keep all your information in one place. After selecting the contact, look for the Edit option, typically represented with a pencil icon. Clicking on this will allow you to enter additional information for this contact. As you scroll down in the Edit menu, you'll find an option labeled More Fields. By clicking here, you can select birthday from the list of additional fields. This is the field that links directly to Google Calendar, so it's important to enter the birthday here. Once you've found the birthday field, simply enter the date, making sure to include the day, month, and the year if you prefer. However, if the year is not crucial, you can just enter the day and month. Google Calendar will still keep track of it annually. After entering the birthday, remember to click the Save button to store your changes. This step is crucial, otherwise your changes won't be applied. Now that you've added the birthday in Google Contacts, let's switch over to Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your browser and take a look at the left sidebar. Here you'll see several calendar options. It's important to ensure that the birthdays calendar option is checked. Checking this option tells Google Calendar to pull all the birthday information from Google Contacts and display it on your calendar. This feature ensures every birthday you add will automatically appear on your calendar each year, complete with reminders if you choose. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that every important birthday is effortlessly recorded in your Google Calendar. This integration is a fantastic way to keep track of your loved one's special days without needing to input them manually every year. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you stay organized and connected with friends and family. Be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day, and don't forget to celebrate